Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're excited to review the A&E Cage Company Elegant Style Flight Cage, a beautifully designed habitat for your feathered friends. We found this product online and have provided a link in the description below, so you can check the latest price and availability. Now, let's dive into what makes this flight cage stand out. The A&E Cage Company Elegant Style Flight Cage measures 32 inches by 21 inches, with an impressive height of 61 inches. This spacious design provides ample room for your birds to move around, stretch their wings, and play. The interior height of 31 inches ensures that even taller birds like Conures and Lovebirds have plenty of vertical space to explore. One of the standout features of this cage is its practical layout. It includes 4 swing-out feeder doors, which make feeding time a breeze. You won't have to worry about reaching into the cage or disturbing your birds while they eat. The 4 stainless steel feeder cups are both durable and easy to clean, ensuring that your pet's food and water stay fresh. Plus, the included perch offers a comfortable spot for your birds to rest and socialize. Safety is a top priority with the A&E Cage Company Flight Cage, which boasts a non-toxic, durable powder-coated finish. This means you can have peace of mind knowing that your birds are safe from harmful chemicals, allowing them to thrive in a secure environment. Cleaning the cage is simple, thanks to the slide-out grill and tray. This feature allows for hassle-free maintenance, so you can spend less time cleaning and more time enjoying the company of your birds. The design makes it easy to remove droppings and leftover food, helping to keep the habitat tidy and hygienic. So, who is this cage suitable for? The A&E Cage Company Elegant Style Flight Cage is best suited for smaller parrot species such as Cockatiels, Lovebirds, Conures, and Lorries. If you're a bird owner looking to provide a spacious and safe environment for your pets, this cage could be an excellent choice. It accommodates all life stages, which means it's a great investment for both young and adult birds. In practical use, the flight cage is perfect for those who want to give their birds an enriching environment. The spacious design allows for a variety of toys, perches, and activities, which can help prevent boredom and promote healthy behaviors. Whether your birds are playing, eating, or just hanging out, this cage provides a comfortable and stimulating space for them. In conclusion, the A&E Cage Company Elegant Style Flight Cage in Blue is a fantastic option for pet bird owners looking for a safe, spacious, and stylish habitat for their feathered friends. With its thoughtful features and design, it caters to both the practical needs of bird care and the aesthetic preferences of pet lovers. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.